Yeah guys, in this detailed video I'm going to show you the unboxing and especially camera installation process here of this Birdfy smart birdhouse with camera, which I got from the seller to show you. It's not a super difficult thing, but maybe just a little bit more tricky than a normal standard bird feeder, because most of them, and especially the super advanced ones from Birdfy, they are pretty much plug and play. You just take them out of the box, connect them to the app, install, and you're done. Here a little bit more work needed, but it can be done easily in 5 or 10 minutes. Don't be worried. I'm also going to show you everything what you get, how to connect the app, how to connect the solar panel, and then show a little bit of live footage from the camera so you also know how good the camera really is. But now let's dig into the details right now. And so here's what's in the box. And as you can see, everything pretty much fully pre-assembled, super easy to set up. Comes with a quick instructions manual describing everything. And what's amazing, what I noticed when opening the package, that it has a really nice natural smell from the fir wood. We get of course also the full instructions manual and an accessory box with all the attachments, screws, charging cable, and the mounting bracket, even with some drill pattern. Yeah, it's an absolute beauty from top to bottom, all the way around. Absolutely amazing. Even in the back, really nicely manufactured with the adjustable solar panel here on top already mounted. And what's also super important is that pretty much no open wires are exposed. That's super important, especially if you have a lot of squirrels trying to get into this birdhouse, maybe grabbing something, so they can't destroy that easily. But of course the most interesting part is inside, so you can unlock it. Has quite some resistance, so probably squirrels or so could not open that, and so you can lower this door, and so we find everything here inside. And so the main thing which you have to do is to unbox the camera and place it at the top of the bird feeder. Just be very careful because it has a few sensitive parts. We have to remove the antenna because it has to be reverted. And now opening the cardboard here from the back, and now I can slide out the camera, taking out the cardboard here completely, straightening a little bit this tray here, and then push it back here inside. I think this tray is a really nice thing for the birds to keep everything clean above this tray. And now let's take out the camera here from the side where it's attached to the antenna. Okay, so here we go. We also want to remove this protection. Camera making a really good solid impression. And so we have this cover here on top for the on-off reset, micro SD card, which is not needed as far as I know, and the charging port. To connect the camera, we have to long press here on the on-off till we see a blue light, and we hear this sound, which indicates that it's ready to be paired. If not, you can use this pin here in this pinhole to reset the camera. And so I'm clicking here on the plus, and it looks like it's not even required to scan the QR code. It has already detected it. That's amazing. Of course, I click here on pair, selecting the Wi-Fi which I want to use to connect, providing the password, and now let's see if it can connect here even to the Eero. Yeah, okay. Wow, that was quick. Absolutely awesome. And worked here even with the combined 2.4 5G network from my Eero router, which is usually very difficult to connect such cameras. And what I also like here in this system, that we have a lifetime AI service without additional subscription. Can give it a name. You can even do a firmware update. So we can see they really care about their devices, because with most bird feeders I've tested so far, I didn't get any firmware upgrades. And we can see also here the Birdfy app is on a total new level regarding bird feeding, bird monitoring, compared to all other apps which I've tested regarding that. And so here we get even some instructions how to add the camera. You can see just connecting the wire, push it here on top, add the antenna, and close the door, and we are done. So that's what I'm doing. I'm closing the lid here. Of course, now I need the inner opening, so everything is nicely protected. I have to go a little bit closer here because the cable is of course pretty short here inside. Push it here fully inside and then just slide it here into this rail. and mount the antenna, hiding the cable here a little bit and closing the door, locking it. Now let's see if I can get a live view. Swiping to the left side where I have the overview of all the Birdfy bird feeder which I have. Birdfy feeder metal, my absolute favorite because it's so sturdy. And here we have the Birdfy Nest Wood C. And so we definitely have a live view already here inside. So when I close this bright light here from this side, we can see it even much better. And so I can do everything right from here. I could even activate the illumination here. And so we have everything right from here. Of course, we have a lot of AI already built in. It's absolutely amazing, but we can also start manually recording. And right from here, I have the full menu with sharing settings, story, live stream, everything, recording, light. But of course, recommended to use full screen, where I have also all the functions with recording settings. And to see a little bit more, I can close the opening here on the side. So you can see the camera sensitivity is really good. There was just a little bit too much light here inside from the side. Or of course, we can also use the built-in light for even better illumination. So you can see everything absolutely perfectly here inside, and mounting super easy. Everything included with the screws and the mounting bracket, which I love. So you can just mount it to a wall, or even using these clamps to a pole, which is recommended, especially when you have some predators. And after this is secure, you can just slide the Birdfy Nest Wood C from the top. Absolutely amazing. And when I hold a strong light to the solar panel, we can already see that the battery is nicely charging from 74% now up. And so I'm ready to put it outside. Super excited to see the first footage from the small birds. And so very interested, I'll put down the link to the Amazon listing down into the description so you can check it out and order one for you if you like, or maybe buy it for friends or family members as a gift, because I think this one here, smart birdhouse with camera from Birdfy, could be an awesome thing. All the Birdfy bird feeders which I have tested so far have been performing absolutely amazing, and so no doubt that also this one will work perfectly. And so hope I've been able to help you a little bit with this video. If you have any questions or comments or want to share your own experience with this birdhouse with camera, then just let us know down in the feedback area. I'm always happy to talk about these things. And if you liked the video, give me a thumbs up, subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching. See you next time.